In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount code in Stripe checkout. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard. Before you continue, confirm that you are working in the correct Stripe account and that you are using the right environment, whether that is your live account or your sandbox. When the product catalog page opens, go to the top of the page and select the Coupons tab. This is where you can create the discount that will later be used in checkout. Click Create Coupon to begin. Enter a clear name for your coupon so it is easy to recognize later. After that, choose the discount type. You can select percentage off if you want to reduce the price by a percentage, or fixed amount off if you want to subtract a specific amount from the total. Next, enter the discount value, then configure the rest of the coupon settings. This includes the duration of the coupon, the products it should apply to, and any other available options shown in Stripe. Once everything looks correct, review the details carefully and click Create Coupon. After the coupon is created, go back to the left-hand sidebar and click Payment Links. From here, you can either create a new payment link or open an existing one that you want to update. If you are creating a new link, select the product or products that customers will purchase through the Stripe checkout page. Now open the advanced options for that payment link. Look for the setting called Allow Promotion Codes and turn it on. This is the setting that adds the promotion code field to the checkout page, so customers can enter a valid discount code during payment. Once that option is enabled, finish configuring the rest of the payment link as needed. Then click Create Link if you are making a new one, or save your changes if you are editing an existing link. When the payment link is ready, open the generated Stripe checkout page. On the checkout screen, confirm that the Add Promotion Code option appears. This tells you that the promotion code field has been enabled successfully. To test it, enter a valid code associated with your Stripe discount setup. Make sure the discount is accepted and that the updated total appears correctly at checkout. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.